chicken snack?
Hey y'all, we about to go to the beach. We about to have fun.
Yeah.
We about to meet up with auntie
Yeah.
and uncle
Yeah.
and cousin.
Yeah.
Well, they got names, but about to meet up with Shreja,
Yeah.
Amir, Danny, and whoever else come. I don't know half of the people they view us, so no shade, no shade, no shade. Y'all pretty. Y'all know that?
Yeah, thank you.
But we gotta go pick up some snacks. So
Yeah, thank you. Let me get a lot of snacks.
about to get some snacks.
Oh,
Come on, we're gonna get the snacks. That's not gonna be frozen in time. Come on. What snacks I wanna get? I got on this one. What snacks I wanna get?
I want Oreo cookies. Oreo cookies.
Oh,
That's
no cookie. Which
that's
snack
ew,
out?
food.
No, this not the snack out. Let's go to snack out. Go, go, go. Y'all want some chips?
Yeah.
Right here, look.
Let me get things.
Girl, who's carrying that?
Me. Yeah, Mama.
Alright, so get, how much is it?
$5. I'm thinking. $1.
It's no price on it, so are you supposed to know how much is it?
Wow, that says $3.
Who's gonna eat that bit? Come on. Come on, first of all. Let's look for the snack aisle. You want Lunchable? That's for dogs. You want Lunchable?
Oh, yeah, 2. Yummy, on my tummy.
Huh?
That cookie one.
The cookie one?
Yeah, 2.
They're gonna eat it?
Yeah.
Alright.
I don't want it.
I'm gonna get 2 for Amir.
Yeah.
Yes. We're not getting too much snacks, but we're gonna get enough snacks for like the beach. Oh, me too, baby. I gotta get some cheese for your auntie.
Yeah, I know what the cheese is. Please. Yeah? Can we get yogurt? Can we get yogurt?
That's not gonna be, it's not gonna be good by the time.
It's a thing.
If y'all want it, if you want it, come go get it. Come on. If you want to get it, come on. Close that. Close it.
No! Fire! Cut it off!
My sister.
Hello?
You got any juices for the kids?
Oh, we ain't get no juices, but we still can get something while we outside.
All right. Do I may eat Lunchables? Cause I got him 2 Lunchables.
Oh, okay.
All right.
Yeah! We have this one.
All right.
Yay!
What other snacks do y'all want? Well,
That's what your mom
here. That's what y'all want? Go ahead, me up. No, we get photo about auntie there. Wait. Come on,
I got you one too.
okay.
I have this one. I got you one.
Go. Oh, I dropped it.
I want to stop it. mommy.
Pick that one up.
I was telling you.
Huh? No, no chocolate. We finally made it to the train. Right?
Yeah.
We about to have fun.
Yeah. Yeah. I'm fire pool.
Beach.
Please, I'm a baby bug. And it's fun. I want to be
But
relaxed.
have fun. Somebody gonna be relaxing.
Yeah.
Mother gonna want to have fun.
I want to have fun.
Gonna have fun and relax.
I'm going to run around
Yeah,
a little bit. And
See y'all when we halfway to my sister's house.
what's your sister?
Sharade is my sister.
Oh, sis? That looks like your sister. No,
That is my child.
I will buy after this out.
Now we gotta wait till we get the bus to get them drink. On my way.
We responded to her.
Say hi.
She really be talking to herself.
I feel like she around before I blow up.
Hold on, my way push back.
That's how you roll up. Time I show up.
It's hot.
Yeah, big look hot.
I bought a home. She bought a home.
It's hot. We about to get the Omega here, y'all.
See me, she wants to
The minute up.
TV, no.
Grab it.
Put on like your friend.
What happened? Don't forget this. Don't step on the blanket. What happened? I'm about to say don't step on the fan. The fan hot? It's hot? Bella! Bella is not caring.
Oh shit!
I need some of that battery save that battery for my phone. Now this bitch is like Zion.
Your ass is supposed to come down. What happened?
Zion. Hi. That's why we got beef now. We're gonna forever have beef.